Welcome to the Paid Webinars video. This feature gives you the opportunity to monetize your event by creating tickets attendees must pay for to attend the webinar. Please note that we will be using terms ticket and token interchangeably in this video. Let's get started. The Paid Webinars feature is available for all paid accounts, including AppSumo accounts. To activate this feature, please be sure that you've entered your billing information and card information first. Once that's done, let's go to the Billing tab, which can be found in your profile menu. In the Billing tab, navigate to the Paid Webinars. To use the feature for the first time, you'll have to make an integration with either Stripe or BrainTree in order to connect a working payment gateway. This payment gateway will be connected to your banking account, and the profit for each ticket will be sent to this account, minus the commission LiveWebinar takes. To connect your Stripe account, you can obtain your keys from your Stripe user dashboard. Or, if you decide to use BrainTree, you can obtain your merchant info from the merchant account details in your BrainTree user dashboard, and your keys from API Keys dashboard. Once the payment gate is connected, you can get started with planning your paid events. Now that you have access to the feature, let's get down to basics. Creating a paid webinar. Please note that in order to add tickets to a webinar, it should be created ahead of time, as tickets are always assigned to pre-existing events. To set up tickets for your event, go to your profile menu and click Events Tokens. Once you have the Account Events Token page open, select Create. This will take you to the Create Event Tokens page, where you can begin setting up tickets. Most importantly, be sure to toggle the Paid Tokens option on. Without it, you'll be creating a normal, unpaid event token. Start by giving your ticket a name. One that corresponds with the name of your event is best. And select the event you'd like to use it for. If you like, you can add the same ticket to multiple events. Then, select your currency and name your price. You can also use different currencies for different events. If you wish, you can also set an expiration date for the tickets. Once you're satisfied, click Create. Now let's go back to the Account Events Token screen. You will see all the tokens you've previously created, with the paid tokens having a dollar symbol next to them. By clicking the cog icon, you can access ticket options. These options allow you to edit ticket details and download information about the given token in a CSV file. The Tokens option allows you to add more tokens to the event, while the Delete option lets you delete the selected ticket. Let's see what the ticket purchasing process looks like from the attendee's perspective. When attendees access an event that requires them to pay for a ticket, they will see this screen. If they already have purchased a ticket, all they must do is enter the code. If not, they must click Buy Token, which will take them to the payment screen. Once they fill out their payment information, agree to the terms of service and select Buy Token. They will receive an email with the details of their ticket, including the token code needed for the event. To get an overview of the tickets that have been purchased by attendees, once again open your profile menu and select Billing. Once in the Billing tab, navigate to the Paid Webinars tab. Below the part of the screen showing your payment gateway integration, you will see the Transactions table. This table shows the transactions that have taken place, with information about who bought a ticket and when, for which event, along with the cost. The cost of the ticket is shown in the currency that's set for your event, and in the currency you use to pay for this account. If you want to access invoices for each account, you can download them from the Transactions tab. We hope that this video has helped you learn the basics of the paid webinar feature. With that being said, thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our social media channels to stay up to date on all things live webinar. Happy live webinaring!